Good morning, children. We are learning ideas of development. Ideas of development. Listen. Ideas for what purpose? Development purpose. Okay, so different people have the different aspirations. Different people have different aspiration. Example of agricultural farmers. Okay, that is also discussed there the table. And next one, along with income that people in their minds they have other goals like respect from others, freedom, security, equal treatment. Okay, so those are the other aspirations people's mind. That is we are discussing. And next one, income and other goals and how to compare the different countries. So what is the main indicator to classify the countries? To classify the countries. Income. Income is the main indicator to classify the countries. Who are the classify the countries? World Bank to classify the countries based on per capita income. Based on per capita income. Which countries developed countries? Which countries they are developing countries? More than which countries earning the per capita income $12,600 more than who are the earning the per capita income in the countries? Those are the developed countries. Which countries per capita income below $1,034 earning? Those countries undeveloped countries. That is we are discussing previously. And income and other criteria. Okay, so we are not just based on income there. That is some of the other criteria to consider to development. Example we are discussing Punjab, Bihar, Arunachal Pradesh. These three states, Punjab have high per capita income and Himachal Pradesh 74,000, Bihar 25,000. But remaining aspects like IMR very low in Himachal Pradesh and the net attendance rate very high in Himachal Pradesh compared with Punjab. Next one, how is the literacy rate? That is also very high in Himachal Pradesh. So overall development. Okay, so Himachal Pradesh is developed than Punjab and Bihar. Bihar bottom portion, low literacy rate level landed. So today we are discussing public facilities. Public facilities. Public facilities. Facilities are the very important. Okay, so Punjab more income than the average person in Himachal Pradesh, but lots of behind the crucial areas. Some of the areas Punjab behind that who are Himachal Pradesh, like literacy rate compared Punjab with Himachal Pradesh. Bihar is behind. Himachal Pradesh first place. What about the IMR rate? Yes, IMR rate also low rate, and Bihar is very low rate, and Punjab is behind Himachal Pradesh. And determinants rate, that is also the like Punjab behind the yes Arunachal Pradesh. So the reason is money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and service that you may need. What is that? Live well. What is that? Money is what is that? Like money in your pocket. Money in your pocket. In your pocket cannot buy all what is that? All the goods and services. All the goods and services. Goods and services. Okay, so sometimes we are not buying what is that? Free environmental areas with the help of money. With the help of yes money. With the help of we are not buying the like yes self-respect from the like other side. Self-respect from yes other. That's why the money in your pocket cannot buy all the goods and yes services. So here you may need to live well. So income by itself is not a completely indicator as an adequate indicator of material goods and services. What is that? Yes, completely. What is that? Income. What is that? Is not completely. Money is not completely adequate indicator of adequate indicator of material goods and services. Material goods and services that citizens are able to use. That citizens are able to use that. Okay, money is not completely adequate indicator there. There is some of the other criteria also we have to consider for decide on the classify the developed country, developing country, undeveloped countries. Why we are Himachal Pradesh is like the best position? What is that in all the aspects? That is like Punjab and Bihar jai. So the other criteria jai. So Himachal Pradesh ahead jai than Punjab and Bihar. Like data training rate ahead jai and literacy rate ahead. Compare that like the rates also percentage also ahead. Okay. For example, normally your money cannot buy the pollution free environment or NGO that you get undertaking medicine unless you can afford to shape it like a community that already has all these things. One of the example maybe what is that? Income is not a completely adequate indicating material goods and services citizen to live to use. One of the example, what is that? Your money yes, pollution, free environment, yes, man-made, pollution free, we are not, yes, we cannot find it, pollution free environment with the help of, yes, money. Okay, some of the people they are like, yes, rich persons, but they are living pollution area there. Actually, for many of the like important thing, the life has the like best way, also cheapest way is to provide these goods and services collectively. Just think, will be cheaper having collective security for whole locality or for a household A, its own security mandate. Okay, today on WhatsApp like we find today as we find that like the entire like a society, we find that like some of the persons, yes, they are keeping entire yes village, like yes houses also we maintain it like for the purpose of security. We provide that as they are appointed that like gods also, yes, they are like taking care, they provide that like security our home our yes home. So like yes, these are the okay. So some of the like what is the we are thinking that every house who are like a own house they maintain it like yes, I am also to maintain it like a security guard. Yes, my children also they are like studying government school where there is a yes well education institution. So everyone they have aspirations. So you are actually able to study because many other children also want to study, and because the many people believe that the government should open the schools and provide the other facility so that all the children have to chant. Where is the yes study day? Okay, so today I am like the government also they are increasing like facilities in government schools, but once upon a time there is no proper this facility. That's why yes, parents why they provide the private education to the children. Why they are like providing private education? Yes, there is a yes pay, security and good education. Okay, so these are the some special yes things provided by institution. When the government also to provide like these types of the facility, yes, everyone they are taking their children study into government school. What is it? Yes, government school. So even now in many areas, what is it? Children, particularly girls, are not able to achieve the secondary level school. What is it? Even now, girls, what is it? Yes, girls are not able to achieve the secondary education level, secondary level schooling, yes, schooling the secondary level school education. Okay, what is it? Why the girls they are not completed secondary education, school level secondary education? There is no proper facilities there. There is no security there. That's why they are not provided like education for the yes rest of the girls education after completed that like the primary education. But today there is changes. But today there is a change. How is that like Himachal Pradesh parents? Just the example that like yes, Himachal Pradesh parents are that encouraging the girls' education. Okay, yes, after marriage also that is where that like a land. Next one. So some states have that like a lesser infant mortality rate because they have adequate provision of basic health and education facilities. Okay, while in Himachal Pradesh there is a low infant mortality rate, while there is a high net attendance rate compared with Punjab and Bihar, while there is a high literacy rate level. Why is it then Punjab and Bihar there? What are the reasons? What are the reason? What are the reason? Some states have low infant mortality rate, low infant mortality rate, low infant mortality rate, because while example of Himachal Pradesh. Reasons reasons. What are the reasons? There is a they have adequate provisions of basic health and education facilities, health and education facilities. Okay, so there is a primary level, there is education facilities there. Most of the that primary, all the children they are the use that what is education facility, basic education facilities primary level they are completed. Government provided schools, and next one government provided health facilities like hospital, doctor, nurse, and medical treatment also there. So how is that? There is a full-fledged health facilities and education facilities. So that's why Himachal Pradesh. What is that? We find low infant mortality rate, and also increase the literacy rate level the 84%, and the net attendance rate 90% of the children they are attend to school. And other one in some of the state public distribution system functioning well. Some of the states have PDS public distribution system functioning well. Okay, example of Himachal Pradesh say people they are used that they collect that ratio province from PDS shop or that ration shop. Okay, there is a properly functioning way. Himachal Pradesh. That's why Himachal Pradesh people they get it like a good food. Okay, they are buying it like a yes, all the items from Pediasure. Okay, in Tamil Nadu there is a functioning very well way. Himachal Pradesh there is a very well that like a functioning way. And what about the like a yes, Bihar there is a no functioning well way. In our areas also there some of the like PDS the managers only 2 days they are provided like this facility. Only 2 or the like 3 days they are like a functioning day. Remaining days they are closed. Sometimes they show that like out of the like stock. Okay, so all the like yes there are PDS items are like they are sold in other way. In this papers also we are finding out that. Like yes, television also we are finding out that. But exchange department they are has like a load of ration rice. Ration? Yes, rice. Like that. But what purpose government to provide it like this one day? To distribute it like a people. People do not have that like a live like a hungry day. Live like a yes empty, yes stomach day. Everyone to eat sufficiently there. Okay, through PDS we buy that like a 1 kilo of that like a rice that like a 2 rupees or like a 1 rupee there. Yes, we buy that like a rice from that like a private shop there, retail shop there. Yes, kilo 1 rupees there. No way. There is a 20 rupees, 30 rupees, 25 rupees, 40 rupees. Yes, 50 rupees like that also. Like what is some of the rice 110, 100 on that place. The type of the like a rice also available there. Poor people they are that like a use this one day. So in Himachal Pradesh there is a good functioning well day. So people are able to get that like a rectified health and nutrition status. People such as states in certainly like to be the what is that? Yes, where there is a functioning of the like a PDS well day. Okay, in the states, in the states. Indian, yes, states. People life, and yes, health. What is that? Health is what is that? Yes, better way. What is that? Yes, better way. It's a good one. Everyone to maintain it like a what is that? Good health day because of they are using it like the PDS items. PDS item there. Okay, understand? Next one, like yes, human development, HDR. Okay, who are the like a published that like HDR, the human development report. Human development, yes, report that. Human development report. Okay, so here like when the related area to the level of the like income and important, that human development, what is that? A report. They got measure the level of the development. We began to think that like other criteria, there could be a long list of such a criteria, but would not be so useful. What we need, small number of the most important thing, health and education indicator. Human development, what is that? Report. Human development report indicate along with money, along with what is the income? Along with income, what is the income? The measure. What is the? Yes, the measure. The measure health and education. Health and yes, education. Along with the income, along with the per capita income, the human development report also that to measure the every country how is that yes people the how is that yes education states are that yes country based on that these three indicated income and what is that income and health and education based on these three indicated human development report what is that to tell about that yes America is developed that Singapore is developed that India is developing that all the yes Nepal is better than to the HDI rank what is that then India okay so Nepal is some of the aspects are very well that's why there is a had mean 136 rank of the India but Nepal is what is that yes Nepal what is that Sri Lanka is 92 yes rank 92 rank that the world development index okay so this is also published by what is that the human development report the human development report published by what is UNDP United Nations Development Program UNDP UNSDP means United National Development what is that development program okay so UNDP to publish it what is yes developed country which are very well in education income or health okay that is the published and also here the headquarters of the UNDP what is yes New York what is yes headquarters New York what is that yes New York how many countries they got that membership in UNDP maybe 120 yes 9 countries 129 yes countries have membership in UNDP United Nations Development yes program okay so that is the UNDP to publish human development reports which countries are that developed which countries are that developing or that which countries are that undeveloped based on that three indicated one is that income and the second one is that health and third one is yes education these are the main yes main it is not surprising that It is not, yes, surprising that a small country in okay, for example, like they given it like some of the, yes, countries, and what is it like a human development ranking there. Here, they given it like a country, per capita income, life expectancy rate, average age of schooling, expected age of schooling, human development, index. Sri Lanka, what is that like a per capita income of Sri Lanka? This is that like a based on 2013 yes calculation there. 2000 yes 13 calculation. 2013 yes calculation day. How is the question day? Yes 5,170 rupees. That is what is the yes per capita income in dollars. That is what is 5,170. What about that like India? India only 3,285 yes dollars. Like there is a yes variation rate. There is a yes variation. So Sri Lanka is a small country and our yes southern portion of the like India. But that is a heavy. Where is the per capita income is like better than India. Per capita income is like what is that? Better than yes India. How many dollars we are like earning in Sri Lanka? Like we find right? Yes. Here. How many dollars is that? Yes, 5,170 dollars. Into that like what is that? Like it 73 rupees side. Like a multiple 3,77,000. 3,77 yes 1,410. What about that like India? 3,285. This is the like Indian rupees side. Like a calculation rate. Yes 3,285 into that like 73. Like 2 lakhs. What is that? 2,39,800. Yes 5. Which is that like a better one? Yes Sri Lanka is a better position. Okay, that's why yes Sri Lanka that what is that like a HDI of that like a Sri Lanka that yes like a 92. What is that? Yes 90 to that like a HDI rank. And there is also that like a life expectancy there. How is that? 75 years the people they are living. Expected yes expected yes below 75 years the average persons they are living 75 years in Sri Lanka. What about that like India? 65 years. There is a 10 what is that? Yes variation between Sri Lanka and India. There is a good facility, good environment. That's why there is a what is a more life expectancy rate. What about that like the average age of schooling 9 years. 9 years the school starting. That is the average age of schooling. What about that like India? Yes 4.5 years. That is that like children parents they are that like a Sunday like a school there. And like the Sri Lanka expected years of schooling 12 years, more than 12 years. That is the right age. What is parents and the children school. And what about that like India? 10 years. What is that? 10 years. But now there is a changes. Now the Indian government also to take that like a decision. What is the right age children to send to school? 12 years. 2019. That central government also they are decided. But parents they are not that like wait after 12 years. Okay, after 3 completed, 3.5 years, 4 years. Parents also they are sent their children to school like a private school. Okay, yes, English education is for that. But government rule is only 10 years. Okay, these are the lot of the like variations. These are the lot of the variation. HDI, what is it? Human Development Index. The HDI ranks above all the people are out of the like 177 countries in all the entire the worldwide. Entire the worldwide side. Okay, in 2030, in human development index, how many countries are 177 countries got membership. Okay, life expectancy at birth. The average expected length of the like a life is person at the time of birth. What is it? Like a 65 years in India, and Sri Lanka is at like a 75 years. Average years of the like a schooling. The average years of the like a schooling education received by people is 25 and worldwide. More than 25 years they get it like a years of schooling there. And expected to like years of schooling. Okay, so number of years of schooling that children's school entrance expected receive given it like a percent enrollment like a rate side. How is it like India? Expected it like a schooling 10 years. So here like there is a changes there. One person here, why the per capita income? What is it calculated into like a measured into like a US dollar? Per capita income is calculated in US dollars, for all the countries, so that one can compare. It is also done in a way so that every dollar would buy the same amount of goods and services in any country. Okay, same amount of goods and services in any country, Okay, so this is the very why that like a per capita income calculated into that like a US dollars. Okay, so when we are compared, what is that country, so that one can compare what is it is also done in dollar would buy the same amount of goods and services in any country? What is it? So every dollar would be buy the same amount of goods and services. Okay, so Indian rate 1 rupee. There is a yes $1. The things also, the goods and services also calculated to dollar. And India also that like what is it? The goods and services calculated with that like rupees because of the what is that dollar would be by the same amount. So 1 rupee equal to that like $1 equal to that. Yes, any country. That's why they are calculated that per capita income in dollars. Understand? Okay. So this is and here it is a surprise that the small country our neighboring Sri Lanka much ahead of the like India. Every respect and big country like or have such a low rank in that like a world. Okay. What about the like Sri Lanka and that like India? India is the like second most populous country in the world, and Sri Lanka is like a small country, but Sri Lanka is had a human development index. Some of the like other criteria. Now what is that? Sri Lanka is better than to India. That's why that is a heading. Was a HDI rank. HDI rank. Life experience shows that the average is also per capita income there, and what is different aspects. What is that? Got a head in aspects than India. So many improvements have been suggested in calculating human development index. Human development index. Many new components have been added to the human development report, but by prefixing human to development, it has made it very clear that what is happening to citizens of a country is important in development. People, their health and their well-being are most important. Okay, so human development. So when we are like developed country classified. So when the human who are like live in the country, when they are like human developed, either like health or that like economically or that like educationally, personally, when they are developed education, when they are developed health, when they are developed per capita income. At the time, what is that? The country it become a developed. We are classified. Okay, so not only based on income, we are not measured only one aspect based on per capita income and health and education. Based on these three, classified like countries. Developed countries are developing countries are undeveloped countries. Next class we are discussing development as progress over time. How is that like the past tense? Development. How is that like the present? Yes, development. That is next class we are discussing. Understand?